In today's factories, huge amounts of data are generated every second, but most of it remains unused. Energy losses, machine downtime, and inefficiencies often go unnoticed. Different machines, different protocols, different systems. Managing and understanding factory data becomes complex and time-consuming. There is no single, unified dashboard to see the big picture. At IOTMATRIX, we help industries turn raw machine data into meaningful insights. Introducing MatrixIQ. MatrixIQ collects data from machines, energy meters, and automation systems. It works seamlessly with multiple industrial protocols, ensuring seamless synchronization, energy optimization, and complete control across your entire shop floor. With MatrixIQ, you get real-time dashboards, energy monitoring and analysis, smart alarms and alerts, custom KPIs, reports, and insights, all in one unified platform. Designed by industrial automation experts, trusted by manufacturing industries worldwide. Reduce energy costs, prevent breakdowns, make data-driven decisions, build a sustainable future for your facility. A powerful industrial data monitoring and analytics platform.